good time with people, with cars, and with America. Enjoy. What can I say? Let's do this now. All right, so I've always done videos day one to day sold, and I've got an 8-year history with MustangMedic. What I've always been somewhat proud of, well, you're not supposed to be proud, is that I'm real. You know, I've got a V6 5-speed. It's kind of comical because everybody else is racing around in 2018s, burning tires, $600, and they seem to have unlimited budgets all the time. Well, I'm in the process of reinventing myself. So here it is. I end up buying a car for $600, $600 for this Mustang. 230,000 miles, maybe more. It's doesn't seem to have too much rust, even though I'm being in Jersey. Fortunately, the 2000s came with stainless steel exhaust. But this are pictures of this car that I've picked up. I'm reinventing myself. I've got my girls. I am a happy father. And I like to think that MustangMedic is a phoenix from the ashes. So just watch what happens with this car. I do have a vision of the 2020 and giving it away for a charity, working on that. And I am just going to keep being real for you guys. Just watch and see what happens. I'll make mistakes. You'll see it. A lot of people enjoy my mistakes. But I got 8 years of experience now, so hopefully it'll be less of them. I still have a lot of senior moments. Well, enjoy. Here's the day one, and I want to give props out. He reminded me that I forgot to do day one when I bought this Mustang. It's been a good 6 years since I bought a Mustang. 4.5 years since I had a car. I'm back, and I am going to have fun, and I hope you are too. Please enjoy MustangMedic. Here we go. Living the adventure, living the life, and what I find interesting, I'm going to share with you. Hopefully you'll find it interesting too. Appreciate you guys. If you're working on your Mustang and you like MustangMedic, you're a MustangMedic too. We're all a team together.
You never know how it's going to happen, but it happens. And I've got a 2000 Mustang with a V6 manual, and I don't have my 4GT, and I'm happy about it. I got a car, and I got a Mustang, guys. Who wants to make her cool? You just never know, do you?